welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't, like this video and subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ding, 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 ding. Today, let's get started with the video. Today I'm going to be showing you my fidget collection part 2, and these are all squishies. So, yeah. I'm going to probably try and do, like, smallest to biggest, like, maybe. So, we got the... What is wrong with the purple's head? There, we got it fixed, sort of. It's like stuck. So, at least the yellow one's perfect. Bubbly head. They're squishy. So, like, yeah. Oh, I'm gotta collect all my squishy things like this. So, we got a French fry. So, yeah. And now we got this. I don't really like it how big these, like, sprinkles are. But this isn't a squishy sprinkle, I think. So, yeah. This thing have been in a lot of my videos. And it was supposed to be in this squishy thing. So, I'm maybe not going to do biggest to smallest now. Because, like, a lot of the things are the same size. So then we got these things. Eyeballs. And then this thing looks kind of popped. So, yeah. This thing is better. I wish this thing was like... Wait, hold on. Let me grab the right one. I wish it was like this. That had eyes. But it doesn't. Well, it's so fun to play with. So, yeah. Now, I just grabbed a random item, and these aren't squishies, but I just put it there. But you can squish their heads, kind of. You have to be strong. But this blue one, you can barely even press it. So, yeah. Wait, I think I'm missing a fidget. Oh, never mind. So, we got this. It has purple balls in it. And it's a grape. And the face looks like it's coming off. And I have another one like a similar kind of. Like, it says octopus. And trust me, this jellyfish smelled for days. And it has blue balls. And it smells good now. So, yeah. So now we have all of these like spiky things. I have no clue what they're. Work. So here are all of them that I have. We have them all in the same color. So we got these orange ones. So yeah. Then we got these pink ones. Pink. And now we got yellow and yellow. And this was my friend's favorite fidget. Like, she always wanted to play with this. If you're watching this, hi. Yellow, pink, and let's see, green. Where's the blue? That's the main part about it. You can see the blue coming in. Blue. I'm wearing blue. Yay. So now we got this thing. It's really fast to squish. It's like it's sturdy and then... Oh, I remember this thing. So, like, I always loved this. Hold on, I just love playing with this thing. And, like, also, like, doing this. And then, like, popping it. Now it's like, boy. It's like it's stuck on this side. Let's get it stuck again. I don't want to cut this open to get the ball. because, like, the ball looks kind of nice. Like, I'm going to get it stuck. There, now it's a pimple. Well, I don't know if it's that. Let's just get it stuck again. Then I'm going to put this fidget away. Okay, I'm going to spin it there. See, I bye to the egg. And now we got this thing. Spooky, scary skeletons of a shiver down your spine. Okay, I just wanted to sing that because it's a Halloween fidget. Halloween. Woo, woo, woo. I have no clue why I did that. So that's the green one. Now we got these. They're like separate. They're separate. They're all separate. And I love like putting them all together because like they can kind of like stick together and then like squeezing it. Like, oh, that feels so good. Seems so good. And now we got the pink person. Comment down below if this looks like Poppy. Like from the Trolls movie. I don't know if I'm saying your name right or not. But it has feet. So like, yeah. Oh, and I don't know what this is doing in there, but we can squish it. And like, yeah. So I got this from McDonald's. So it's not so like bye. Ooh, now we got this. I think I got this from Planet Pizza. Why is the tongue black? Like it should be like red or pink, like these cheeks. I don't know why, but it feels like it's like blushing. I feel like I see someone hot in the room. Two best friends in a room. They might kiss. Yes, we will. Wait, what? I said yes, we will. So now we got this. It's squishy. So we got purple, and then we got green, and it's not gonna mix together. Maybe if you cut it open, like maybe if you cut it open like this, and it'll probably explode. Maybe one side would explode. Sorry, I was just getting uncomfortable. So yeah, that's this fidget. Oh, gee, now we got this fidget. I don't know why, but I feel like there's snow in here. Like when I was little and I got this. So yeah, I'm like squishing it. And yeah.
Stay here, Bella.
Why am I so the dirty side? Here's the clean side. So yeah. Wait, why is the poop doing here? You know what? Let's just move on. Oh, when did I ever get this? So, like, yeah. That's it for today's video. So, bye.